Captain Jeremy says, group yourself into one.
Oh, one lang.
Into two.
Yay!
And the bird is shaking. The bird is shaking. Captain Jeremy says, group yourself into five.
Uy, tulungan mo!
Group yourself into one.
One.
Captain Jeremy says, group yourself into three. Tatlo.
Three! Ala!
Walang palit na meron sa sabihan. Bye-bye. Kasi sana kumisit ka. The bird is shaking.
Shaking!
The bird is shaking. Captain Jeremy says, group yourself into one.
One lang.
Into two.
Two! Jace!
Walang partners three. Adam, ano sasabihin sa kanila? Bye-bye! Captain Jeremy says, group yourself into four.
Four!
So, kapag yung wala yung mga ito yung apat sa apat, yung kagawin mo,
Uy! Four kayo! Ayan!
dito kayo sa dulo, kuya.
Ayan, four!
Okay, this time, wala nga rin sa pwesto. The boat is shaking!
Shaking!
The boat is sinking. Captain Jeremy says,
Go, gina.
group yourself into four.
Four!
Four, apat.
Go!
Group yourself into two.
Two lang! Uy!
Group yourself into one.
Oh, one lang.
The boat is shaking. The boat is sinking. Wala nga rin sa pwesto for the winner. Group yourself into five.
Five! Oh! Five! Kulang ng isa! Uy, dito ka! Yan, hawak ko yung Sesen. Yakap mo siya, Sen.